So this is how you can check the private relay email on your iPad, and let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Now on your iPad, navigate to the main settings app where you can see at the top of the list, you have your profile. So you can see your name as well as the profile picture. And you can click on it to get inside and start like browsing a couple of different things. But I want you to go to the sign with Apple. And it has like this little Apple logo, and it will give you the list of all of the services or apps where you used your like Apple accounts to sign in, right? So you can see that these are the pages or whatever, but it depends on whether or not you have like the iCloud Plus, because if you do not have that, you can of course sign in with Apple, but the private relay or the like randomly generated email address is not a feature for the free iCloud version. But if you have like even at the basic iCloud subscription, you'll have access to the private relay. But the point is that you'll be able to click on these like accounts or apps or whatever, and you'll be able to see the email that you used for it. So as I said, it might be the randomly generated one to protect your privacy, or it might be your actual one which you may have used to sign in with your Apple. But at the end of the day, that is where you can find it. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know if you also could find it on your iPad the same way. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.